Hey YouTube, this is generalEXPERT here, and I'm bringing you another review. And this one is for all Android phones. Basically, I'm doing a battery replacement review, and this will apply to any Android phone out there where you can swap out the battery, which should be most of them. But I have the original HTC EVO 4G. But again, this will apply to any phone. I went online looking for a replacement battery because mine was pretty much dead, only holding about a 2-hour charge, 2 to 4 hours, which was definitely not any good. And so I found this battery by a company called Anker, Anker, and I just wanted to confirm that this thing actually does work very well. It was very inexpensive compared to the price that I was being quoted from Sprint. And I just have to say these batteries, I mean, are great. It's a jump in the size. I went from a 1500 mAh to a 1700 mAh, and the actual physical size of the battery is exactly the same from stock. So everything fits perfectly, no problems whatsoever. It actually looks very high quality. All the packaging and the branding and everything looks high quality. I just wanted to throw this out there in case anyone was wondering. These Anker batteries are high quality lithium ion batteries. Just make sure when you're ordering that you get the right mAh size that you need, either the same or larger than what you already have. But I'm guessing that if you are looking for a replacement battery, then yours is probably dead anyway, and anything would be better than what you have in there. So anyway, if you're questioning these Anker batteries, they're good. Go get one. Thanks, guys. Peace.